Good morning. A very new start for all of you, the listeners, the students. Okay, so here I'm going to start 1.3, the Copan Anthem. So, very finally, we will have a slight introduction about our writer who is world famous by the pen name O. Henry, as it is given here 1960 to 1910. He is an American writer best known by his pen name O. Henry. So, basically, he is famous for his short stories. And if I want to say exactly given in your text, the stories had a surprise ending, and basically he deals with the things that the real life of the common man is being highlighted of that period. Okay, so here the Copan Anthem which we are going to have is a short story by him. Here the writer says that the main character Sophie is a person who has no shelter, no home, no job, okay, and has a criminal background. And his plan is that how to get again back in the prison to save himself from the severe winter. Okay, so that is his main theme of this prose. And later on, Henry shows that Sophie tries lots of attempts so that police should come and got him, but not a single attempt is successful. Okay, so very finally, as we know that O. Henry's stories are in such a way, at the ending there is surprise, okay, and end changes. So here also, the Copan Anthem, the writer shows when the Sophie realizes he does lots of attempts, okay, to get behind the bar so that the 3 months can be saved in the heavy winter. Okay, because he thinks that Sophie thinks that prison is the best place where prison is free from miseries and sadness. Prison is a place where you are safe, you are secured. Okay, as he is related with the criminal background. Okay, and the story ends in a complete unexpected way. In which unexpected here at the end, Sophie decides no. Last line is given here that the moment he realizes the real freedom lies in the virtues of the life. So when Sophie stands in the front of the church and when listens a music, okay, a prayer, at that time his mind changes. So very finally he thinks in a way positively that okay, I can do something. At the moment he decides that next day morning I am going to go and find out a work for me, at that moment a police cop comes and taps his shoulder. Come, for the thing you are waiting is there in front of you. He is back for 3 months in the jail. So, O. Henry here shows you something which is very important also, and we can't deny it. The thing is that till the attempt Sophie does the wrong things, he never get catched. Okay, the attempt when he realizes the virtue and the importance of it in the life, that time the things goes wrong. It means that always in simple sense, if we say no, always be positive. Don't think negative, or don't think that this will be the safe side for me. That should happen. There are no shortcuts. Okay, already he had a criminal background, we all know, but then too, when he was just he suffered for the sake of winter, at that time only he might have started doing some work or went in a right way. The end might not be in that way. So, okay, so here writer just want to say that he decided, as we know, Sophie decided that he wanted somehow to spend his 3 months, which are very severe winter is there. Okay, so get the shelter and a we can say roof on the head to be safe in this winter. The thinking which he had that the prison is a place where he is safe, that was only wrong. Okay, so when the time came that when he thought that good things will happen, that time the situation changed. At the moment he decided, at the same moment the police was behind him. So as the writer is famous, a short story writer famous for the surprising end. All stories which he has given, it is humorous with great reality of human life, and the most important thing is that there is always ends with surprises. Okay, so very finally the introduction related to the Chopin anthem is finished. In the next lecture we will have the exact explanation and the attempts of Sophie. Thank you.